Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In this video we're going to show you how to remove and replace the headlight on a Fiat 500. We need to remove the bumper first. Stay with us to see how we're going to do that. It's a pretty simple procedure once you know what you're doing. We already got the bolts loose, so we can, guys, save you some time and not waste your time. We try to make our videos as short and as concise as possible and with good step-by-step instructions. Right here we need to remove one bolt with a T30 star looking bit. One right here, okay, you can see, so a total of 4 on the top of the bumper cover. Don't forget that, guys, to subscribe and give us a like. We upload a new video almost every day. Videos, do it yourself videos that could save you big money and of course time. And now next thing we need to do, we need to turn the tire to the right. There is 3 screws right here, one in the top with a Phillips screwdriver. Okay, and there is one more right there. And one more underneath this one, like that. And now on the bottom of the bumper cover there is one more screw with a Phillips screwdriver right there. As you can see, we got it loose already. And now you need to put the fender liner like that, and right here in the corner of the bumper, let me show you where exactly it is, there is one more bolt with the T30 star looking bit, the one that we use for the 4 bolts up there. Okay, so you need to remove it as well, this one. It's hard to show exactly where it is. And now we need to do the same procedure on the passenger side. We have those 3 screws, 1, 2 and 1 underneath it, 3 screws together. One is missing here and the one on the bottom, which is located right there. And now we need to put the fender liner again, and we need to access this screw with the T30 star looking bit. Okay. And now we need to go underneath the front end of the bumper, and there is 3 screws, 3 bolts that we need to remove. Again, there with that T30, we got them loose already. You can see that's the 2 that you need, 2 and 1 more. So altogether 3 of them on the bottom of the bumper cover. And now you can just go ahead and pull right here in the corner. Just gently grab it and pull. It needs to come out of the clips. Okay, like that. And now in this corner as well here, you need to start slowly so you don't break any clips. And now you just pull. The last one is the tricky one. So if you get your hand underneath it and kind of like push it like that, it helps come out. And now what you need to do, you need to unhook the wires before the bumper comes off. So you need to remove this one. You see this one, you just press down and pull. This one is the same way, press here and pull. And there is one more set of wires on this side. The same procedure as the passenger side. Okay, and that's how you guys remove the bumper cover. And now with a 10mm socket we need to remove that bolt right there. There is one more on the bottom, as you can see, and after that there is one more on the side where the fender is. Okay, like that. And now you need to pull that clip out of the hole there, and the headlight is about ready to come out. All you need to do now is just to press on the clip and remove it. And this is the headlight assembly. This one is a 2013 model, and if you need any of the numbers, they're right here. Thank you guys for watching this. Don't forget to give us a like. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.